Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to talk about two main topics: how to highlight the active cell and how to dynamically highlight the current selection in Excel. Let's dive into the first topic, how to highlight the active cell. First, we need to define a named range. To do this, press Ctrl plus F3 on your keyboard. This will open the Name Manager. Click on the New button to create a new range. Enter a name for the range, such as Active Cell. In the Refer to box, enter the formula exactly as I've provided. This formula will refer to the cell that is currently active. You can find this formula in the description below. Feel free to copy it. Click OK and then close to save the named range. Now let's apply the conditional formatting. Select the range where you want the formatting to apply. You can select the entire worksheet if you want the formatting to apply everywhere. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Click Conditional Formatting and select New Rule. Choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter the formula exactly as it appears. You can also find this formula in the description below. Click Format and set the desired formatting. Then click OK in both windows. Now open the VBA window. Right-click on the sheet name and choose View Code, or you can press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA window directly. Once the VBA window is open, choose Worksheet. Then select Selection Change. Here, type application.calculate. Now you will see the active cell is automatically highlighted as soon as you change the current cell. This technique highlights only the active cell. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Now, don't you want to know how to highlight the entire selection? Let's move on to our next topic, how to highlight the current selection. Open the VBA window either by pressing the shortcut key Alt plus F11, or by right-clicking on the sheet name and selecting View Code. Remove the existing code we wrote for the previous topic. Paste the new code. It's a bit longer than the previous one, but don't worry, I've included it in the description below for you to copy. Close the VBA window, select multiple cells, and you'll see that they are automatically highlighted. Not happy with the color? No problem, you can change it easily. Open the VBA window again. Change the RGB color code to whatever you prefer. I've provided some sample RGB color codes in the description to help you out. Thank you for watching Doc's Easy Tutorials. Your likes and comments are my fuel, so please don't forget to like this video and leave your valuable comments. See you soon with another interesting topic.